This video let's go to see how to configure a sound sensor with Arduino. It's like this is the sensor. You connect the out of the sensor to pin number 6 of Arduino, and the ground is to the ground, and VCC is to 5 volts. So let's go make a sketch. This is sketch. We only read the pin 6 of Arduino, and send the data, or we send the value, if it's high or low, depends of the sensor. The sensor give us 5 volts or 0 volts, depends of the volume of it in the signal, or configuration. So let's go to check with the monitor serial. Here is the monitor. Yeah, the screen, and in the sensor we have a potentiometer, and we just adjust this. And if it depends, if we want to receive the signal, or depends of this value of the potentiometer, if we have a low value or high value, it depends. Yeah, with this. Let's go to check with the sound. Yeah, we clean the out, and this is detecting now the sound, the volume of the sound. And we down the volume, and now we don't detect. Now we detect. If we want to adjust the potentiometer, then we can. Yeah, we are detecting with the volume. We adjust again. And yeah, depends of the volume, and now, yeah, we stop the music now. And it's easy, this sensor, because I only have, yeah, one out, and we receive, a value is high or low. It's simple.